How to add text on Instagram Reels for different times. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So first of all, what you want to do is open up Instagram and go to the Reels tab. So like this, and you want to record for a couple seconds. So I'm just going to record for like 5 seconds or something like that. And once you've done that, you just basically want to go click on the right arrow, and you can see the video right there. So now what you want to do is add text. So let's say I would add like hello in here. You can also just change the font and stuff like that. You can add a background and all that. So let's say I would add hello, then I would also add like how are you? This is really stupid, but just for the sake of this tutorial, and then I'll also add this. So I got two texts right here. So and at the bottom you can see the two texts right there as well, and like the bar of the video. So if you select the first text, you can like change the duration just like this, and then it will disappear right there. And as you can see on the screen, it will appear as transparent. That means that it actually disappeared on the final version. Then what you can do is click on the second text, and you can like time it correctly that it will appear right after the other text. And once you've done that, and you can also like do it like this, you can see that the text will like appear and disappear on different times, and you can add even more text. And that is basically it. So that's how you do it. It's really quick and simple. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.